Here are 5 ways to use testimonials correctly in your business. Number 1, make sure that you have disclosure about your testimonial usage in a contract or written somewhere where people know that if they are leaving testimonials, whether it's a video or a written testimonial, that it may be used for promotional purposes. So whether it is online or whether it is on some type of publication, that you have the right to use it, and they're giving you the right to use their name, their face, their person, and everything in between. You need to receive that approval before you use anybody's testimonial. Number 2, make sure it is a genuine testimonial. Make sure it's not fake, it's not false advertising, and it is accurate to their experience, and also something that you can actually back up and show that is accurate to their experience. And so at the end of the day, you want it to be honest, because per FTC guidelines, if it's not honest, if it's fake, if it's made up, you can be subjected to some fines. Number 3, what you want to make sure also is that these testimonials that you are using are not of any type of significant relationship. And what I mean by that is that if somebody is giving you a testimonial, again, it's genuine, but also they haven't received any type of compensation. So if it's an influencer testimonial, you have to disclose that. So while you are using testimonials, you have to give a disclosure that is apparent and that is obvious that it is there, which kind of leads me to number 4, that make sure your disclosures are apparent and obvious. So disclosures have to be made if there is any type of material connection to the person leaving the testimonial. So it could be a family member, it could be a friend, it could be someone that's received some sort of compensation, whether it's monetary or free services or a gift or something to leave that testimonial. And so you want to make that kind of disclosure apparent so people also know that their testimonial is also coming from maybe a biased viewpoint, and that needs to be apparent. Number 5, in order to use a testimonial, you want to have some internal process in your business where you are reviewing it. You're making sure that what the person is saying is accurate. You're also making sure that before the testimonial is used, that your marketing team or whatever team that you have, your people, whether it's 1 person, whether it's 3 people, whether it's 100, that everybody's aware of the usage rights and also the policy that you have in your business for testimonials. And so again, it needs to be accurate. You need to make sure that you have the right to use it. And so all parties that are related to using that testimonial have awareness of it. So whether you are using it through a third party and then using whatever information they're giving you through somebody else, everybody needs to have that understanding that that testimonial may be used for marketing purposes. And so your team needs to know that also. So internally, you need to have some type of checks and balances. So you're making sure that you're using that testimonial correctly and legally. And with that being said, good luck, because testimonials are amazing, because at the end of the day, peer review and word of mouth is everything for everyone's business.